Ayan, so what's up mga ka-Jays? Good morning po pala sa lahat. I am now in Carlsbad and I'm now here in one of the most visited place in Carlsbad, the Caverns. So God is really good talaga kasi pag pupunta ka pala dito guys, dapat pala may reservation ka. And the good thing is, kahit late na ako nakapunta dito, meron kasing first come first serve na ticket. And I'm so lucky, as I said, napakabait talaga ni God because He always giving me the favor to enjoy things here. So ayan, nakakuha pa ako ng ticket and I'm able to get inside in the caverns. So I'm now going down. So may dalawa palang paraan na makababad